Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this cleaning process. You will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, a microfiber cloth, and some isopropyl alcohol for disinfecting. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts during the process. First, unplug your Dyson HS05 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure that the device is completely powered off before proceeding. Next, locate the screws on the back of the device. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a small container to prevent losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back cover off the device. You may need to wiggle it slightly to release it from any clips holding it in place. With the cover removed, you will see the internal components, including the motor and the heating element. This is where dust and debris can accumulate, affecting performance. Using your soft brush, gently sweep away any dust or hair that has collected inside. Be careful not to touch any electrical components directly. If you notice any stubborn grime, dampen your microfiber cloth with isopropyl alcohol and wipe down the surfaces. This will help disinfect and clean the internal parts effectively. As you clean, take a moment to inspect the condition of the internal components. If you find any damage or wear, it may be time for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Remember, if you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this task, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your Dyson serviced without any hassle. After cleaning, carefully replace the back cover of the Dyson HS05. Align it properly and press it down until it clicks into place. Then, reinsert the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could damage the plastic. Once everything is back in place, plug in your Dyson HS05 and turn it on to test its functionality. You should notice an improvement in performance if the internal cleaning was successful. If you still experience issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Our services include no calls, no travel, making it convenient for you to get your device checked out. In summary, cleaning your Dyson HS05 internally can significantly enhance its performance and longevity. By following these steps, you can ensure that your device remains in top condition. If you encounter any difficulties or prefer professional assistance, remember that we are here to help with our convenient services. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.